Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about MILEAGEPLUS app. So to get started, the MILEAGEPLUS app is a reward platform by United Airlines that follows users to earn United MILEAGEPLUS miles through everyday purchase. It's available on iOS and Android. The app offers multiple avenues to accumulate miles, purchasing e-gift cards from over 270 retailers, dining at a participating restaurant, shopping via the United States MILEAGEPLUS shopping portal, and engaging with a featured partner app. Notable United co-brand credit card holders receive a 20% bonus on mile earned through the app, regardless of the payment method used. And here's a quick strength about this platform. That comes with a diverse earning opportunity together with an immediate reward, a stackable benefit, a user-friendly interface. With the help of the app, it has a full design with an intuitive interface which help to navigate and clear display to earn, rate, and participating merchant. However, there are notable weaknesses about this platform, which comes with technical glitch, a limited merchant availability, a manual processes, and a potential redundant purchases. And here's the quick bottom line about this platform. The MILEAGE X app is a valuable tool for United States airline customers looking for a way to maximize their MILEAGEPLUS mile through everyday spending. While it offers a multiple earning opportunity and immediately rewards, users should be aware of potential technical issues and the need for activate engagement with the app. For those willing to navigate these challenges, it can be significantly enhance the value and derive from routine purchases.